Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Daisy. Enjoy watching.
My name is Daisy. Let's go story time.
Title: The Alkaline Adventures of Remy the Rat. In the bustling city of Paris, hidden beneath the cobblestone streets, lived a remarkable rat named Remy. Unlike his fellow rodents, Remy had an extraordinary palate and a deep passion for cooking. His dreams were larger than life. He aspired to become a renowned chef in one of the finest restaurants in Paris. One day, while foraging for food, Remy stumbled upon a discarded chemistry book, The Wonders of Alkaline Cooking. Intrigued by the concept, Remy began experimenting with alkaline ingredients. He discovered that these ingredients not only added unique flavors to his dishes but also provided numerous health benefits. Remy's culinary creations became a fusion of traditional French cuisine and innovative alkaline cooking. One evening, while exploring the kitchen of Gusteau's restaurant, Remy encountered Linguini, a clumsy young man struggling to keep his job as a garbage boy. After a series of comedic mishaps, Remy revealed his extraordinary culinary skills to Linguini. The duo formed an unlikely partnership, with Remy hidden under Linguini's toque, guiding him in the art of alkaline cooking. Their unique dishes quickly caught the attention of diners. Alkaline ratatouille, a vibrant medley of vegetables prepared with alkaline-rich ingredients, became their signature dish. The restaurant's popularity soared, attracting food enthusiasts from all over the city. However, not everyone was pleased with their success. The stern food critic, Anton Ego, known for his scathing reviews, was skeptical of this new culinary trend. He challenged the restaurant to impress him with their alkaline cuisine. On the night of Ego's visit, Remy and Linguini worked tirelessly to create the perfect meal. They prepared a dish called Alkaline Symphony, a harmonious blend of alkaline ingredients that dazzled both the eye and the palate. As Ego took his first bite, memories of his childhood flooded back, reminding him of the simple joys of food. The critic was moved, not only by the taste but also by the innovative approach to cooking. In his review, Ego praised Gusteau's restaurant for its creativity and the health benefits of alkaline cooking. He wrote, "This culinary revelation reminds us that true innovation comes from the heart and soul of the chef, no matter how small." With Ego's endorsement, Gusteau's became the most celebrated restaurant in Paris. Remy and Linguini continued to create delicious, healthful dishes, inspiring chefs around the world to explore the wonders of alkaline cooking. And so, in the heart of Paris, the legend of the alkaline rat chef lived on, proving that with passion and creativity, anything is possible.
My name